You got a delivery, David.
Yeah, Big Bird. You can get all sorts of things delivered from the neighborhood.
The neighborhood?
All from the people in your neighborhood. The people that you meet when you're walking down the street. They're the master chef.
The burger flipper, too.
The corner store owner bagging low-fat milk with gum and pink shampoo. They're the culinary artists with delicious cuisines.
That famous cookie shop in the magazine.
All that?
Well, you can also get empanadas down the street.
Mango smoothie, sweet and tart.
From the big shops to the mom and pops, they can bring it to me a la carte.
Hey!
They're the people that you meet each day. Get more from your neighborhood, from convenience to corner stores. DoorDash.
I'm all right.
And for every order, we'll donate $1 to Sesame Workshop.